Welcome to Economic Edge. In this session, we'll understand the concept of market risk from the CAIIB Risk Management module. Let's start with the basics. What is market risk? Market risk is the risk of loss due to changes in market prices, like the prices of shares or bonds. It affects both on-balance sheet and off-balance sheet positions. Now, let's understand this with a real-world example. Meet Mr. X. He invests 10,000 Indian rupees in shares of ABC Limited, buying 100 shares at 100 Indian rupees each. A 5% drop in price brings the share value down to 95 Indian rupees. His portfolio is now worth 9,500 Indian rupees, a loss of 500 Indian rupees, which directly affects his capital. Now let's see what happens when he uses leverage. Mr. X borrows 90,000 Indian rupees and adds it to his 10,000 Indian rupees capital. Total investment, Indian rupee 100,000. He now holds 1,000 shares. If the price drops by 5%, the loss is 5,000 Indian rupees, cutting his capital in half to 5,000 Indian rupees. A 10% drop would wipe out his entire capital. But things get worse. Because his capital is reduced, he can't keep his 90,000 Indian rupees borrowing. He must sell shares worth 50,000 Indian rupees to meet margin requirements. If buyers are missing in the market, he faces two more problems. First, asset liquidity risk. He may not find buyers for ABC shares. Second, market liquidity risk. The overall market is dry, so even selling any asset is hard. Let's summarize the key risks Mr. X faces. 1. Price risk, loss due to falling prices. 2. Asset liquidity risk, can't sell a specific asset. 3. A market liquidity risk, can't sell anything due to market-wide issues. So, what worsens the situation? Using leverage magnifies losses. Market liquidity issues make selling difficult. Margin pressure forces selling at lower prices. What are the key takeaways? Market risk can quickly erode your capital. Using borrowed money increases the risk. You must estimate downside and have a risk management strategy. Before investing, Mr. X, and anyone like him, needs a risk management approach to plan and protect capital. A risk measurement tool, like value at risk, to estimate possible losses. Conclusion. Market risk is real, but manageable. With awareness, planning, and tools, we can reduce its impact. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Stay ahead with Economic Edge.